Guys, good morning. So today I'm attending Cosmopolitan Conference, which is going to be held in City Museum. I hope you can hear me. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. So yeah, this is like the most popular or one of the popular magazines, Cosmopolitan. I think they are like known elsewhere, not just in Slovenia. And I'm having this gorgeous dress, but I cannot show it now. I will show you, I guess, later. So yeah, that's it. I will show you a bit. I think we are allowed to film, and then I will show you the dress when my husband comes back. And yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm now in my car. I mean, not in my car, in my husband's car. Let me just take this off. Yeah, I've changed, as you can see, because my husband picked me up and we took some photos in this beautiful, amazing dress that I had. Yeah, the conference was very good. I was, there with some ladies. Then, yeah, we took a ton of photos, and the conference itself, the speakers was so interesting. It was really, really great. So I'm really happy that I was there. And I want to show you the goodie bag that we got. So actually, yeah, just disclaimer, I didn't get there for free. I paid for my ticket. I paid 20 euros. So yeah, we also got this goodie bag, and I'm really interested to see what's in there. Okay, I've eaten already this protein chocolate. It was very good. I don't know where I'm gonna. So yeah, this is genuinely, I haven't seen this bag, or like I just sneak peeked, but I have no idea what's inside. So this is gonna be also the first time for me. Okay, yeah, Barbels protein chocolate. I love protein chocolates because they have less sugar, less of the peep stuff, So I'm really happy for that. Then, ooh, this is coffee. Bar Cafe. Bar Cafe is Slovenian company. They sell coffee, of course, and they also have this. And I'm really excited about this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is like iced coffee. Oh, this is so cool. And you can drink this on the way. So I'm gonna probably just drink this when I'm gonna be outside. Okay, what's next? Water. Yes, Radenska. Actually, one lady from, I think, PR was there. At the conference, so from Radenska, this company, Slovenian company, they sell water, gas, non-gas. So yeah, it's logical that they put something in there. If they wouldn't, it would be weird. Oh, this is just nothing. Well, there's a lot of stuff. Again, wow. Oh, actually, I already have one. Why? Because I took it from the stall. Yeah, exactly. So basically the sponsors, there were some sponsors, and I think they put everything in the goodie bag. So yeah, just to be clear, look at this. I love Croatia, just to be clear, but I don't like this kind of stuff. There was also one lady was speaking from, I don't know, some company. I don't know how it's in English. So I'm not gonna translate it. So Croatia was also representing itself, and the lady was also from there. having a speech. So yeah, that's why we got this. The heart is beautiful, but I don't know what to do with it. You know, I'm not a hoarder. I don't like have a ton of stuff in my house, especially since my room is such a small place. It's insane. Yeah, I'm gonna give this to somebody. Aphrodita. Yes, there was also one lady from PR that was speaking there at the round table. So yeah, anti-age serum. Oh my god, I'm really excited to try this one because I really want to try like Slovenian. This is a Slovenian brand. I really want to try Slovenian brands, especially Aphrodita. They are also like been on the market for a long time. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Oh, what do we have here? This is basically like Cedevita, but this is Aura. Lemongrass. Yeah, lemongrass. I'm really excited to try this because I've never had this, so I'm really curious. One more chocolate. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yes. I really want to try this company, like Chiefs, or how do you pronounce it? Protein bar. I'm obsessed with protein bars because, like I've said, I really want to reduce sugar in my consumption. So less sweets. That's why I have been like really tasting protein bars. So this is like perfect for me. Like this is heaven actually. Really good stuff. Water. This is like with taste. But which one is raspberry? Yes. Actually, let me try this for you because I have never tried this. So let's try it together. Cheers. It's really nice. It's sweet. You can really taste the raspberry. Actually, I really like it. Although I think it's like sweet. Too sweet. Because, you know, if I'm gonna drink like sugary drink, then I want it to be completely sugar drink, like energy drink or whatever. But if I drink water, I just want it to be plain water. You know, that's why I'm not a fan of this kind of stuff. My husband likes this kind of waters with different flavors. Yeah, flavored water. This is what it's called. But yeah, I mean, I like it. So we're gonna probably drink this today. Okay, what's this? Oh my god. There was one lady. This is the cosmetics company Milani, and she was like saying about, you know, what kind of a makeup is trending and, you know, how we should be, for example, if you're having a Zoom meeting, you know, just to put a bit of makeup, you know, just, you know, to be respectful towards the speaker on the other side, or, you know, just to be, you know, have a nice hair and stuff. And we also got something from them. So this is, what is this? Powder blush. Can you see that? I don't use this enough. I mean, I've really stopped using makeup since COVID hit. So like today I do wear makeup. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, I have to try this. This is, how do you open this? Why do you have to put so much plastic in there? Oh, I think it's just like this. Silly me. Oh my god, look at this package. This is insane, guys. Woo, shit. Here it is. My hair. Look at this package. Can you see that? This is insane. I love it. Oh, I've never seen like anything like this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Well, actually, I'm gonna do a proper review of this lipstick and the blush powder, and I'm gonna write a blog post about it because I really like testing new stuff. If it's food or cosmetics, it doesn't matter. Just like tasting new stuff and then writing about it, you know, as a blog post. I just love doing that. So this is perfect. There's something else in here. Some kind of papers. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's probably just there. Catalog. Yeah. Oh, wow, this is cool. So this is their catalog. They're not showing, you know, what else you have here and stuff. And this is like a notebook, which I really like because I'm writing a ton of stuff, you know, getting ideas, or like for blog, I'm also now on TikTok, so follow me there. It's Tanya Smiles blog. And also, like, when I have ideas, I write them on my phone or write them in my notebook. But because I'm still pretty, like, old school, I really like writing, you know, with the hand on a paper and stuff like that. And then I have a ton of ideas written everywhere. So this is going to be actually good. You know, I should just use one, what did I say? Sorry, I got something stuck in my teeth. We just had burgers, so yeah. This is going to be actually perfect for my ideas. Wow, I'm so like thrilled with this. There are just some flower shop, baby koala, baby birdie, yeah, how do you pronounce this? I have no idea what is this. This is for the like cosmetics for the kids. And here is the tester. Well, yeah, for my future kids, I should actually know, you know, some stuff. So this is gonna be good. And then this is also the catalog. Aphrodita, Slovenian company that I showed you before. And then this is the chips, the protein bars. And we're coming to an end. I'm going to show this in the end. So yeah, this is the lady that was, you know, presenting the Croatian part. So this is basically the catalog of Croatia. I think it's the whole Croatia. Let me just check it fast. Dalmatia, Zadar, Šibenik, Split, Kvarner, Istra. Yeah, so this is basically like, oh, let me just show you. So you will know what I'm like looking at. It's beautiful. Croatia is beautiful. And last but not least, the Cosmopolitan magazine. So they have been like in business, let's say, for 20 years. I remember reading this. This was my go-to magazine when I was in high school because, oh Jesus, there were some noises. Because, you know, every teenager needs, I don't know, guidelines or how would I say. And this was actually the magazine I was like buying all the time. And I'm really actually, I haven't read, you know, their articles for quite some time. And I'm really excited to read it a bit. There's not so many so much text. Is this some kind of a, I don't know, different issue? No, it's September 21. Oh, thank you. I really like that this is like the newest edition, that it's not like 100 years old when they usually give it, you know, in a goodie bag. So yeah, this is cool. Okay guys, wow, this video was so freaking long. I did not expect that. I was like telling my husband, yeah, the problem gonna be finished in 5 minutes or something like that. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long. Yeah, just like comment below, please. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me what you thought of my dress because it's amazing. It's handmade by Ditka. Follow her on Instagram. She gave me a code, Tanya10. Tanya is basically with J, not with Y, but I don't know if it's still gonna be valid, so I'm gonna have to check that with her. If it's still gonna be valid, it's gonna be in the description below. So check her out. Let's support each other. Let's support small companies, especially, you know, Slovenian companies. Yeah, just let me know what you think of it. I'm just so confused right now. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel because this would mean the world to me. Guys, have a nice day. And oh, what do you think of my nails? My husband doesn't like them, but I think they are really nice. So yeah, because they are different, they are not red or something like that. Okay guys, have a nice day and I will see you next time. Bye.